Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Better English Clapingo. I'm your friend Faraz and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, you have been watching my videos and you can certainly see the difference, the progress that I've shown. Opting this course has been a great decision for me. This course has benefited me a lot. I'll keep uploading new videos on the English language content. If you're new to my channel, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, and let's stay connected, keep growing, keep learning English, and let's go ahead with the new video.
Please tell me if I'm audible and visible properly. Everything is cool.
You are more than audible.
Okay. That's
It
great.
is absolutely
That's
clear.
fine, right?
Yeah, I've given a number of auditions, like I've done, but yeah, I play guitar and all. So the very first audition that had happened for Indian Idol, so I had gone to Lucknow, so I got selected. There was another show, Z Senior Star Ki Khoj. I had gone
Yeah.
there. By the time I had reached home, like it was 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. And I did modeling as well, and I had shoot with Rannvijay too. Like a
We've
very
acted?
yeah, like I'm.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Firstly, please tell me if I'm audible and visible properly. Everything is cool.
You are more than audible.
Okay. That's
It
great.
is
That's
absolutely clear.
fine, right?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay, great. So, how are
Am
you,
I
Faraz?
am I audible? Like,
You're
is it fine?
perfectly good. Yes,
Okay, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. And we're having our first session together, right?
This would be the first session. Yeah, yeah. Actually,
Excellent.
I was not getting the slot, so I can only
Oh,
have the afternoon slot because I do the
okay.
evening shift. Uh, so
You?
that was. I, I'm so sorry.
You said I do. I could
Uh,
not get.
I do an evening shift, so I can
You
only
do slots in. You take evening ones. Okay.
right. So I can just have the afternoon slot. So I kept scrolling through the dates, and
All
luckily I
right.
was able to uh, got just
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. I've been not doing the afternoon, evening ones. Earlier, I used to do only 7 to 8, and now I've shifted to the afternoon.
Great, great, good for me.
Okay.
Like I'll be able to yeah, schedule it. Yeah.
True. Okay. So, please tell me something about yourself and how long it has been that you are here in Clapingo.
Uh, I guess it's been 2 weeks now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
It's been 2 weeks. Yeah.
So, how
The
many sessions have you had?
I guess 12 to 13 sessions, maybe. Yeah, maybe less than that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It may be like close to 11 sessions, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So is it have you taken the one with 5 sessions a week? That subscription?
So I had taken when I had opted for this course, I had taken that three 3 days a week one. So I wanted to try it that how it will go and how it would suit my timings as well. So
Right.
like I'm able to do it. So still I'm working from home, so I'm able to do it. It is easily manageable. So I have also, so right now this these sessions like this period will get over I guess on 14th of March, and I have already taken that another subscription uh, again
Okay.
for the
You've
for the
extended
five
this.
days one for the 5 days one. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's
Once this session
excellent.
ends, then I'll be continuing with that one.
Okay. Amazing. So you're liking clap and go, I can guess.
Yeah, yeah, it is benefiting me a
Okay.
lot. Yeah. And of
Okay.
course,
That's
like on a daily basis, like it has become a daily habit
right.
to speak with new tutors, so
Right.
that you guys can point out my mistakes, and I can of course certainly work on those and uh, eventually improve. Yeah.
That's amazing. and that's so good that you're eager to learn, and you have made it a habit to do this. So that's the best part. And
Yeah,
may I know where you're working and what are you doing?
yeah. So I right now I'm working in the healthcare sector, and it's been 2 years that I've been working this domain. Earlier, I was working with ebookers. That was a travel profile, and I've done a basic ITA course as well. But why I had switched from there, from that domain to healthcare domain? First of all,
Mhm.
there were sudden shifts changes that
Okay.
I knew in my like I knew this thing that for like right now I'm able to do it, and I have been doing graveyard shifts and evening shifts. Like it's been so earlier I was working with Convergys, so worked there for about 2 years. So there as well I had like I used to do UK shifts, but I know for a fact the major thing is that I won't be able to do it for a longer period. Like what
Right.
after 5 or 10 years? Like I don't have
Mhm.
any problem with the evening shift because now I have become habitual to these shifts because I have been doing it for so long now. But the major challenge is for the sudden shifts changes.
Mhm.
So you cannot maintain any routine. So, and
Routine.
the social life actually goes for a toss. So that was the major
Right.
reason. So I did not have any clue about this domain, healthcare domain. So
Mhm.
I was scrolling through the jobs, and I spoke like I had spoken with a couple of consultancies people. So they had advised me. So I told them frankly that I need this much package, and that is not the main priority for me right now. The main priority for me, like the priority for me would be to get fixed Saturday Sunday offs and fixed shifts. So that's what
Okay.
I got, and yeah, it is fine.
Priority is clear. And also, when you have these sudden shift changes, that the most affected thing will be your body clock, right? So you'll get a lot of health problems with that too. If you when you're waking up and then you're sleeping, there's no fixed time of doing anything. So yeah,
Right, right, yeah, yeah. Because I do exercise and also like I really like it, like doing
you're
exercise.
a health freak.
So yeah, so I was like, I wasn't really getting time because the timings weren't fixed. They can call us
That's
anytime.
true.
This week I'm doing the evening shift. Next week
Mhm.
they would ask me to do the early morning shift. So yeah,
Okay.
so
Yeah,
you know,
that's problematic.
yeah, yeah. So that was the thing. Yeah,
Okay.
but
It's
the
cool.
exposure that I got there was uh, very good. Like the
Okay.
VNA trainings and like these things which happen. So they help brushing up your skills as well. So
Okay. You said
of
VNA
course
training.
VNA, yeah, yeah.
Okay. What is that about?
The voice accent training.
Okay. Voice and
So
accent. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So we they give this voice accent training for a month or let's say for 20 days. For it depends upon the process in which process you're working. For example, I was working in the UK process, so I was being
Right.
trained on the UK accent. So like
Okay.
we were being told how to pronounce the names, their name, so that when
Okay.
we are on the
Yeah.
course, when we are taking course, so we shouldn't be pronouncing their
Good
names
pronunciation.
incorrectly.
Yes.
Yeah. So and I
Okay.
was in the process my when I was working with ebookers, so my process was name corrections. So
Okay. Oh.
it was entirely dependent on the names, like
Okay.
like how am I
So you got to learn a lot of new things, right?
right, right, right. And voice accent training is always good. Like you have been
Okay.
given that topic, and on a daily basis, yeah, you would have like new activities would come up.
Okay.
Skits
Okay.
would be there, and
Oh,
yeah, good. So yeah,
that's amazing.
yeah.
And what about this one, your new job?
Yeah, here as well, and here the good part was the level of VNA training was not that like was not equivalent to the trainings which I had uh, uh, taken earlier, like in Converges and in with ebookers. So here I
Mhm.
got like I got the highest marks. Like I scored the highest
Oh,
in
okay.
my in my VNA training. Like I was like, okay.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
it
here
like
the good
it,
part
it
is, right? Not good part was.
so this was the good part, and that helped me
Yeah.
a lot.
No,
And
I was saying that here the good part is, you must say, not good part was, because you're still working here, right? In this,
yeah, no, I was referring to the company there, which I was
the
working.
earlier one.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So there the good part was. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, I
yeah,
get
yeah. So that had benefited me
it.
here.
Right.
So yeah, like
Yeah,
why I was
that's
able to score
so
like
you became the
why I was
star of
able
the
to
show
good.
in the first test and everything, right?
I'm so sorry.
So you became the star in the show, scoring the
to
highest
to
marks and
to
everything.
some extent, yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So Faraz, are you interested in talking about risk taking today?
Uh, I'm so sorry.
I'm saying, are you interested in talking about risk taking today?
I'm
Risks,
a risk taking.
yeah,
Okay.
risk taking.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So what, according to you, is a risky task?
Like which I have done, or like it can be any task.
It can be any task, or you may mention something that you have done risky.
Uh, Risky task would be so yeah. So like one of the examples, one of the experiences I'll share that the so I've always been very keen to uh, give like I have given a number of auditions. Like I have done acting and all, and theater as well, and then I used to sing as well. Still I sing, but yeah, so not a great singer though, but yeah, I play guitar and all. So the very first audition that had happened for Indian Idol, so I had gone to Lucknow. So I got selected in the first round, so I had gone to Lucknow. That was the first time that I had gone there. So I did not have any clue about the trains and all, and I was only I guess so. Like I was in 10th standard, so yeah, and so I had gone there, and so the train was crowded, and I somehow I got the ticket, and the like whole travel thing. Like I got so tired while way back, so like it was actually a difficult task for me, but yeah, it was sheer good experience that I still remember. Yeah, your voice is not clear. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
I
now
was not.
now it is. Oh, okay.
How was your interview, by the way?
uh, the Indian Idol audition you're referring to?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, interview. Yeah. I was mentioning the audition. Sorry.
Yeah. So that went well, but though I wasn't selected, so the round which they show on TV, that is a third or fourth round.
Okay.
That is not the first round. That is
Okay.
the
So before
third.
that, you have three stages
So
of
they check
test.
out all like major crowd, like
Chunk of people.
in first two rounds, and then
Okay.
like they portray it as that that's the first round. That
This
is
is
not
the
the first.
first one. Yeah.
But
Oh.
again, still I don't regret it. And there was another show, Z Senior Star Ki Khoj. I had gone
Yeah.
there, and at that point in time, I did not like I did not start with any theater thing, and still I got selected in the first two rounds. But it was again a difficult task for me. Why? Because it was very far from my place. So at that point in time, I was living in South Delhi. Now I am living in Noida. So going to Dwarka, and it was in a village actually. The auditions were happening in a village, and I did not have any clue about that. So I had gone there, and by the time I had reached home, like it was 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. So still, and I did modeling as well, and I had shoot with Rannvijay too. So like these were pretty good experiences that I always cherish. So like I tried, because this is the domain wherein you have to give everything. Like if you really want to go into this domain, or into this, like in this field, you, the very first thing is that you have to totally get into it. It is not that you are doing a job and you will be able to crack the auditions, and like side by side you are doing all uh, like you will be doing the modeling and all. Still I was able to do it somehow, but that had affected me, because I got promoted as a quality analyst in my when I was working with Converges. But at that point in time, somehow I came back to operations. I knew that like the pressure was high, and at that point in time, the only one thing was in my mind, that I want to become an actor. But yeah, so somehow that did not work out, because yeah, because I was doing both the things. And of course I cannot go to Mumbai, of course, because cannot leave my family here. But still, having said that all, I would say that I don't regret anything, because I tried, and I lived all those moments. So somehow I was able to achieve it, and got a very short role, like a glimpse of the, like you can say a 10 seconds shot in the Fukare 2 movie. Yeah, you can see I'm there, like a
You
very,
acted?
yeah. Like I'm there. You can see me like in Fukare 2 movie,
Where
like
exactly in the movie?
uh, when that guy comes in the hotel, the Sultan, that guy who plays the
I
negative
haven't
character,
actually watched the movie,
Punk,
but okay,
Pankaj Pankaj
I'll
Pankaj Tripathi. But it is a very small like glimpse of the eye. You would like you
then
see it and you'll miss it. But I'm there. You like you'll be able to see me, but
okay.
dialogues aren't there. But I'm there in the
So you
background.
actually went to Mumbai. That means no.
No. The this shooting happened in Gurgaon.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
there was a
So when
big
the guy
arrest.
comes inside
They had
the
come.
hotel and you're standing there, is it?
No. So I had gone there because I had some contacts. So like I was giving auditions. So I got a call that today we have this shooting. Please come.
No, no. I was
You.
asking about the scene. What
Yeah.
is the scene exactly?
I was there in the background, and I am talking to a receptionist. Like I'm standing at the
Okay.
reception, and yeah. So this guy comes, and I am at the background.
Oh,
So when he comes, I am still talking, and after 5 or 6 seconds, then I go back.
okay. That's amazing. That yeah, you're right. You've actually lived those moments and you've been there where you actually wanted to be earlier,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Though I did not get a big break, but yeah, still, yeah, that is fine.
Okay. So yeah, one thing, our session is going to expire itself because it's
Yeah,
already time. And
yeah,
one thing I want to mention, you said while way back, right? When you
yeah,
were telling me that you came back home, it was 1 a.m. So you can say while on the way back or while while way back, it sounds
yeah.
incomplete. So
Sure.
while on my way back or on my way back, exactly. On my
Okay.
way back is the better one. So
Okay.
yeah, not while way back. Okay.
Okay.
So you are very correct with your grammar and everything, and you're fluent as well. It was just one thing that you made a little mistake this one, and that is all I want to say. Do you have a query?
Yeah, just like the feedback, like if you can elaborate it further. Like, what
Yeah.
is your
Okay.
feedback? Of course,
Elaborating.
this is our first
Yes.
session. Still, I
Yes.
just want
This
to
is
hear
a
from you.